Well, the security landscape is a lot different than it used to be. A few years ago, security was really driven by compliance. That's, is the reason why, most CISOs would actually spend money. Second reason was a crisis. Something really bad happened and they'd buy something to, fix the problem. And if you look at the marketplace and you think about it having been driven by compliance mostly and crisis somewhat, what you find is that they were buying point products. The regulators would come in and they'd say, you have a problem, you need to fix this. And they would buy the least expensive possible product to solve that problem. I think the reality is that, customers are taking a step back and saying, I bought a lot of stuff. I don't know how to use this stuff. I don't know how this stuff is supposed to work. I don't know how this stuff is supposed to help me. So, one of the things that our customers are increasingly worried about is the fact that, data flows like water, throughout the various systems into various geographies. They no longer know where it is. They don't know how to protect it. And they're constantly asking us, in an interconnected world like we have today, how do we approach this? How do we think about, critical data processing? How do we think about data ownership? How do we think about, archive and storage of data? What are the things that we need to do to protect it? We have to address the fact that our customers don't want to buy capital. They want to buy managed security services as a subscription. We have to focus on the fact that they may not want on-prem equipment. They may actually want virtual equipment or equipment that has been, hyper-virtualized or is available through the cloud. The reason that our customers can't do it themselves is, first and foremost, they can't afford to hire every type of security expert necessary to introduce every policy, every strategy, every product, and implement those in an effective manner. It's just not possible. The skills don't exist.